Okay, I have one problem. 2x plus 2y equal 5 root xy. So the teacher asked us x over y equal to how many? Okay, so this one we will rewrite in it. Rewrite this. 2x square. Did I change anything? I did not change anything. Minus 5 root xy. I did not change anything. Plus 2y root y square equal to 0, right? I did not change anything. So this one we can use our cross method. 1, 2, 2, 1, and this one makes negative, negative, negative 1, 2 times negative 1 is positive 2. 1 times 2 is 2. And negative 4, negative 1 equal negative 5. So we can do it like root x minus 2 root y times 2 root x minus root y equal to 0. So x root x equal to 2 root y, right? So root x over root y equal to 2. So root, okay, I will write this way. So root x over y equal to 2. X over y equal to 4. So this is the first one. Now we do the second one. 2x so for this one, 2 root x minus y equal to 0. Then over root y. Then 2 root x equal to root y. 2 root x over root y equal to 1. So root x, okay, I write this way. Root x over y equal to 1 over 2. So x over y equal to 1 over 4. So they are actually symmetrical. These two numbers are symmetrical. X over y equal to 1 over 4 or x over y equal to 4. They are symmetrical.